Hi, welcome to another Beads with Martha. Today I've got a bead by Ohm Beads called Typewriter. This is an older bead, but look at the detail on it. It's really fantastic. I'm old enough that I can remember having to type out essays in high school and university on typewriters. Thought I'd make up a fun bangle with a getting ready for work kind of vibe. So I've got a takeaway coffee cup here. I'm really excited about July's bead of the month being a coffee themed one. I'm also going to use these cute little boots. These are a dirty version. The bead itself is called Non-Violence, but the silver version is still available. There we go, all ready for the start of the work week. Except for it's about 32 degrees here Celsius, I'm not actually going to be wearing boots. Because I really like the typewriter, I used it in a work and play kind of themed bracelet last week. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.